What's happening, my dudes? So I got a little bit behind on my sourdough starter. This is actually day 4. I should have been feeding it days 2 and 3, but I didn't. So we're going to go over what this looks like. Welcome to the channel. You're watching Smart Spark from deep in the heart of Sather A. Leone. We keep it real, we keep it simple. You can't help but say, holy shit. Shit's amazing. Okay. Now you can see it's risen up, and you can see it smells like starter. Smells like sourdough, I should say. Anyway, it's got a little bit of a crust here on it. We're gonna have to discard roughly half of this anyway, so. Tastes like sourdough. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off the top of here. Take a look underneath of it. You can see I got some bubbles under here. And that's what we're looking for it to react. That's some healthy starter right there. Let's see if it floats, just out of curiosity. It does not float. Not quite. It wants to, but not quite. We got some stuff coming off of it that's floating. Oh, we got bubbles coming up. Anyway, so it's not quite ready yet, which we already knew that, but okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add another half a cup of flour. Okay. Half a cup of flour. I'm gonna do a little bit more water this time. So 3/8 of a cup. Okay. I just wanted a little bit more, a little less viscous. Viscosity is how, like with oil, you pour oil on something, and the viscosity is what determines how quickly that oil moves through and meshes through gears and squeezes out. But I always thought the more viscous something was, the more fluid it was. When I say I always thought this was some time ago that I learned this. So, anyway, but as it turns out, viscous means it doesn't really like to move that much. Like molasses is very viscous. Anyway. Okay. Oh, there we have it. That's pretty well mixed. I'm just going to mark it handy. I'd say that's pretty good, guys. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to put the rubber band around it, mark the level of our dough so we can see how much it's risen the next time. Okay. All right, guys. See you next time.